The city is ever changing, getting more and more modern. That's also why a lot of people are complaining about it getting more expensive, but yeah, it's part of progress. Good morning. I'm here at the entrance of the Chong Nonsi Canal, and I've been here about like half a year ago to give an update regarding the new Chong Nonsi Canal Park, and today it's basically ready, so let's go and have a look on how it is now. This is how the original Chong Nonsi Canal looks. It is next to the Chong Nonsi BTS station. You can hear the train coming through. Here you have the King Power Mahanakhon Tower, and this is quickly becoming one of Bangkok's major residential and office areas. And as a part of making the area more beautiful, they started constructing these parks on the canals, and this is the second phase. There's going to be a third phase that will run all the way to the Chao Phraya River. I see a sign there that says the Bang Rak Lovely Plaza, so I'm not sure if this is going to be the official name of this park. I know the bridge was there already with the sign, but let's call this the Bang Rak Lovely Plaza. Today is the 25th of May. On the 20th, officially the raining season started, and we've had quite a bit of rain in the last couple of days, but it's always on a certain time, and we've been having rain at the end of the day. And like now in the morning, the weather's actually pretty nice. As you can see, we're having a nice blue sky in here. Yeah, this park is really meant as a hangout. And what I said, to cover up an ugly canal and make it all look a bit more pretty. That's basically what humanity is about, right? So here you have the light posts, so in the evening they can light it up. So let me show you how it looks from the bridge up there. This is basically an extension of the Chong Nonsi Canal Park, and a big part of the beautification of this whole area here. You have all the modern buildings that have been constructed throughout the years, and this canal was just not really fitting, and by putting this park on top of it, it changes the whole atmosphere. And this is the thing in Bangkok. The city is ever changing, getting more and more modern. That's also why a lot of people are complaining about it getting more expensive, but yeah, it's part of progress. So let me show you also a part of the original Chong Nonsi Park, which is on the other side of the BTS station. So here you can see how the park looks from the outside, and it's actually quite nice. There will be a lot of trees and vegetation, so it will really freshen up the area here, which used to be just this road and the boring canal. So here you see they already planted a lot of trees. I actually made a video in one of the penthouses here, and I filmed the park from up there, so let me integrate that in here as well. It's Saturday morning, so there's not too much traffic. So here you have the Chong Nonsi BTS station. There on the top floor you have the Arabica coffee shop. I will edit the view from there in here as well. To have a bit of an idea on how the park is going to look when it's ready, I came here to the original and first Chong Nonsi Canal Park. So this was the first part of the project. And I will edit some footage on how this looked when it just opened. And as you can see now, it's a proper park. There is a lot of vegetation. So let's go and have a look inside. Yeah, I love these kind of projects. You know, the water is still dirty. That's not the point. The point is that this whole area just looks so much better. And look at all the trees that you have now. And the raining season is starting, so if you come back in a couple of months, this is going to be lush and green. And in the evening, a lot of people come here to make pictures. This is a very popular Instagram spot. A lot of people that work in the offices here, they come here for their lunch break, just get away from the concrete a bit. As you might see, I'm sweating a little bit. It's absolutely hot at the moment, even though the real hot season is already over and we are in the raining season now. It's Bangkok, man. You cannot get away from the warm weather. Yeah, I love giving these updates of the different stages of constructions in Bangkok, but also I think it's good to see how it looks after the construction. We are here at the Chong Nonsi Bridge. You have the W Hotel. Down there you have the house on Saton. I actually made a video there a couple of months ago. Very beautiful house, which is part of the W Hotel with some nice history. I leave the link to that video in the description here. So here we are at the Chong Nonsi Bridge. Chong Nonsi is in the middle of the Saton area, which is the main business district in Bangkok. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Chong Nonsi Park and a bit of the Chong Nonsi Bridge as well. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.